Welcome back. Now we have a number of choices we can make in terms of visualizing our data. For example, we can create charts, diagrams, maps, infographics. We can specialize visualizations. For example, we can do a specialized visualization like a word cloud. We can do a 3D visualization, interactive visualization, statistical, and scientific and technical visualization. That may be a good idea to take a list like this or a document like this and then to ask Claude which of these visualizations will fit our entire set of data. Now, what we have already done is we have created illustrations. Now what we want to do is we want to further build out our content by determining which of these visualizations are going to fit our data. Now, the list that we generated is a list that we generated in a separate conversation with Claude to determine the comprehensive set of visualizations we can do with Claude. So we can take the entire set of visualizations and we can ask Claude all of the visualization types, which of these visualizations would be best in order for us to visualize our data. So we place our data, the final summary document, side by side with the data visualizations to determine which of those visualizations would be best to create in order to illustrate them properly. And Claude will give us a priority list. And so we can take that priority list and we can begin to create the visualizations that we feel are most appropriate for our data. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.